Awuthi ngisize kakhulukazi laba aba-confused la kwi-comment section yami abathi yeyi nina uthe uGeneral Mkhwanazi hlukanani nesithombe sakho ukushilo vele lokho. Kodwa awuthi ngikulekelele ngoba vele u-confused. U-Arthur Fraser, because he was a close associate to Jacob Zuma, despite presenting concrete evidence to prove ukuthi Cyril Ramaphosa wephule umthetho, he was ignored. Not that i-case ayeyipresentile had no merit, but bamziba ngoba close to Jacob Zuma, the same Jacob Zuma who is the enemy of this establishment. I'm going to take you back to Lucky Montana. ULucky Montana wamtshela uZondo ukuthi uPaul O'Sullivan uyiproblem. Waze wathi akavethwe, akucheckwa ama-bank statements akhe. But because uLucky Montana was deemed to be an associate to Jacob Zuma, uZondo, being the presiding judge, ignored all those calls. Kukhona isikhathi la uLucky Montana aze athi there is a family that is very close to Cyril Ramaphosa that has benefited illegally from Eskom of 5 billion rands. It's on record, go and check. Waziba uZondo ngoba wayefuna uZuma. And waziba futhi uLucky Montana ngoba uLucky Montana was deemed to be a close associate to uJacob Zuma. Now angimsoli uGeneral Mkhwanazi ngokuthi athi MK people musana ukusebenzisa ithombe zami because he is long-sighted as a leader and he only knew the magnitude of the evidence that he was going to present before the nation. He did not want to compromise the quality of his message because abantu will be told that no, this one is representing Zuma. This one is representing the MK party. Go back and track how the MK party members were excited and even used his pictures. Until today, we are excited. We are fully behind uGeneral Mkhwanazi. We support him at all costs because we know that he represents the truth. Buka-ke manje njobe seshilo nje ukuthi uZuma was victimized back then in 2007 esewine iPolokwane conference by uThabo Mbeki using ama-state arms, which is the SAPS. Ngabe sekuthiwa yabona kade sambona vele ukhulumela uZuma. Waphinde wathi no, ngalesikhathi abantu bestrike ngama-unrest kade kuboshwe uZuma, they were not mobilized by nobody. These were individuals who were angry. Yabona usephikisa imedia manje. Ngabe kuthiwani? Ngabe kuthiwa yambona? Vele uyi-MK. Ngoba yonke into associated no Jacob Zuma la kule country nifundisiwe ukuthi ningayilaleli. So ngiyamncoma, I commend him for seeing and sensing danger from afar. Because usenivezelile already ukuthi kukhona ikhansela le-MK party, iminister uSenzo Mchunu eyayilifuna liphakathi ngoba lalikhompyutha ne-ANC. Ukube besiqhubeka siloku sigqoka izikipa zakhe senza amarali sifaka izithombe zakhe, benizothini? No, ukhulumela i-MK party. But because he presented himself as neutral as possible, niyak-ignora rather ukuthi uyaveza ukuthi no man, there is a problem with Cyril Ramaphosa. There's a docket yephalaphala eyathathwa uSenzo Mchunu from i-IPID, and that was illegal. It was not within his jurisdiction. Ngabe nithi uthunywe uZuma lo. I even saw a line of questioning ngamalema which wanted to tilt the narrative to that direction. Ngalesikhathi ebuza i-employment yakhe ukuthi kahle kahle wawuqashwe ubani. Asho ukuthi no, ungangiqashwe uZuma, but now I was shocked. I know why that question was asked, because you must go back to the articles. When Jacob Zuma appointed General Mkhwanazi as an acting national commissioner in South Africa, there was a lot of noise from the media. Go back to the articles. It was said that there were generals who had more experience and who were in line. Why was Mkhwanazi appointed by Jacob Zuma? Remember, at that time, anything that Jacob Zuma did, any decision that he took, was criticized by the media. Because we now learn that no, Paul O'Sullivan bane power over the media. They have the power over ministers. They have the power over the president. Sikuzwa ngobani? Ngo-general. If ugeneral ubevumile ukuthi hayi qhubekani MK sebenzisani izikipa ilokhujana fakani izithombe zami kuyikipa zenu, Engabe sekuthiwa no, lo general uthunywe i-MK Party. Namanje khona abangamthandisisi. Baya-analyze la, babhala amanoveli